we've placed the chicken in the fridge. I'm going to season the potatoes, and I'm going to use the same ingredients. So cayenne pepper, and salt. So in this video I'm using sweet potato, but you can use Irish potato if that's what you want. I'm going to add oil and mix everything together. So the next thing I'll add is my vegetables. So this is onion, red and green bell pepper, and carrots. So I'm going to pour my potato and vegetables into this bowl. So I'm going to lay my chicken on it like this. The reason why I'm laying them on it is because I want the seasoning from the chicken and some juice to, you know, chicken have this juicy, that's the stock. Yes, I want it to just fall on my potato so that the potato can just taste nice. So the potato will fuse, the seasoning around the chicken will fuse into my potato. Yes, and it will take the taste of the potato to another level. So guys, my chicken and potatoes are ready. I'm going to put it in the oven for 40 minutes. Yes, I'm going to grill it for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, then we come and serve. Okay, so guys, just stay tuned. So guys, as you can see, our grilled chicken and potato is ready. Yes, so I'm going to taste, and this is the best, or this is my favorite part to taste. So I'm going to take some of the potatoes. You see, sweet potatoes enhances our brains and it supports the sight system, as in it gives clearer vision. Yes, so I have some of my potatoes in my plate. I'm going to take a little of the chicken. Actually, this is a balanced diet because you have vegetables, you have protein, which is the chicken, and you have your potatoes. Okay, so guys, I won't eat much. Okay, so going to taste it. It's not bad at all. Like when you taste it, you can feel a little bit of chicken in the potato, since the stock from the chicken has infused into it. It has made the potato very nice and tasty. Yeah. So guys, it has been another great episode, and thank you so much for staying with me. If you are yet to subscribe, kindly don't forget to do so, and share, and keep the comments coming. So till we meet again, I'll say bye bye.